Hello, Candiners. Yeah, of course. In our career, we need to have a transparent communication with our recruitment process. So, in this video, I want to share to you about transparent hiring, what it means in maritime recruitment. Yeah, in maritime recruitment, transparency is not just a buzzword because it's your protection. Yeah. So transparent hiring means clear, honest communication between recruiters, ship owner, and also seafarers. No hidden fees, clear contract term, and accurate job description. Yeah, it ensures you know exactly what you are signing up for before you step on board. And without transparency, seafarers risk unfair treatment, illegal deduction, or even fake job offer. And we will not doing that in Candida, because transparent hiring protect your rights, your income, and your career. It's also a key recruitment requirement under international standard like MLC 2006. So we will very transparent in our recruitment process, every step by step. We will share to you the step of the recruitment and inform to you if we have any update uh, during the recruitment process. So you need to look for licensed agencies, written contract, and zero placement fees. If you need to how to spot it in your recruitment process, and if you are looking the agencies, you need to spot it, and then if something feels under unclear, you need to paying the illegal fees. So you need to pause and check again this agencies is good or not. Yeah, because transparent hiring build trust and safety at sea. So choose recruiters who respect your right and value your work. Okay, bye bye.